Hello guys, welcome once again and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can create a new server or a new droplet on DigitalOcean platform. So let's get started with this video. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. So guys, basically what you have to do after once you log in or sign up on this platform on DigitalOcean, you have to submit your credit card details or PayPal, which accepts international transactions. So guys, after setting up your account with all the payment details and other details, you can see the dashboard of the account, and here you can see a button with a green which says create. So you have to click on it, and once you click on it you will see some options here. So I have to create a new droplet, so I'll just click on droplet here, and you will able to see some new options on the screen which says choosing a kind of OS. I want to create Ubuntu, and version I want to select is 18.04. So basically here I am choosing a basic plan here which says CPU type, so I will be taking as regular Intel with SSD 25 GB, because there is no such hard and fast work. So so basically I have selected this $5 per month plan, and here what you have to do, if you want any secondary storage you can add volume here, and accordingly it will charge. After that you have to select the region for data center. So this server will be used in India, so I'm using Singapore data server, which is less in traffic and much faster than other server. So now after that I will select additional options. So I will require IPv6 and monitoring here, so I'll just select this, and I have to create a password here. So I'll just suggest a strong password, and I'll use this, and I'll just copy this, and I'll just copy this and I'll just keep it somewhere where you can keep it safe. So here I'm keeping it. So after selecting password, then you can see how many droplets. So here I'm giving name as demo dash server, because it will be used just for demo purpose. So here I am not selecting any enabling any backup option here. So I'll just create a new droplet. Now you can see create droplet, and once you create your droplet you will be able to see here something like this demo server and all this thing. It is now being processed. It will take some time here, and this is the IP which we will be using to connect through SSH or through FTP. So guys, you can see here the droplet is being created and it is active now. So now what you have to do for you, now we will connect and show you. So basically what you have to do, you have to just create a git bash here and just go back there, and you have to write SSH, and whatever the name is I am using is root, and 1.4. I'll hit enter, and it is being connected for the first time, so I'll select it yes, and I'll just paste the password here and I'll press enter, and you can see my successfully server is connected. That means the server is successfully created, and in this way you can create a server. And already I have shown in the previous video how you can set up things like PHP MyAdmin or Apache or whatever you want on your server. You can install Node.js, npm, whatever. So in this video I have shown you how you can create a new droplet server on DigitalOcean. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.